Is the world round? Or have we been lied to? Are scientists, politicians, astronomists and the military covering something up? What if I told you they are? What if I told you the world was flat? What if everything we ever knew about the earth was a lie? People, it is time to stop being sheeple. It is time we accepted truth, no matter how uncomfortable it is. In this video, I am going to give you 5 pieces of evidence that the world is flat. When I am done, you will not be able to deny hard scientific evidence, you will see what I see, and if you do not, then you will never break the conditioning. Ready to get woke? Okay. Point 1. The horizon. If the earth is round, why is the horizon flat? If you were the size of an ant, and standing on the top of a large ball, you would see the outline of the ball as a curve, would you not? When we look out to the ocean and see the magnificence of what the Lord made in 6 days, wow, we see a straight line, not a curve. Do you see? Point 2. Gravity. If the world was spherical, gravity would not be pulling everything down, it would be pushing some things up, and gravity's relationship with life on the surface would become radically different, depending on what side of the so-called equator it is on. Trees in Australia would have grown the wrong way up. Birds would walk and fish would fly. This is clearly nonsense. Gravity is a constant force that always works in one way, it pulls things down, wherever you are on the earth. Therefore, it stands to reason that the world must be flat. Do you see? Point 3. The ocean. If the world was round, the ocean would be dripping from the bottom of the sphere onto the stars seen in Australia. What if I told you that the reason we never run out of water is because the earth is actually a disk protected by a large dome? Because that's what's true. We never run out of water and there are never any stars extinguished in Australia because of dripping. It only stands to reason then that we are being lied to. Wake up, people. Do you see? Point 4. You can get to the moon from anywhere on the planet. If the world was round, you would not be able to see or travel to the moon if you're in Russia and the moon can be seen from America. This is blatant fact. Wherever you launch from on the earth, you will be able to get to the moon. Would you be able to reach something that is behind you? No. Can you see now? Point 5. My mate Dave was coming home in a taxi and the driver, who definitely knew what he was talking about, said that his last passenger was a top NASA scientist. The scientist had left classified documents in the back seat, and curiosity got the best of the diver. He opened them up and what he found was shocking, a picture of a flat globe. Yes, you heard me correctly. A picture of a flat globe with X's wherever rockets were to be launched. If the world was round, why are scientists not carrying globes? Do you finally see now? So there you have it. 5 facts that prove the world is flat. If you ignore this, you are only contributing to your own enslavement. Share this far and wide, so we can get people woke. It's time to wake up the lion of humanity.